Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the diary app and signing in. Choose a single account to avoid duplicate journals. Once done, set a default notebook and enable Cloud Sync so entries stay safe. Make sure to turn on the privacy lock and pick a backup cadence, daily or weekly, so you never lose data. Grant needed permissions for storage, microphone, and camera if you plan to add photos or voice notes, because media enriches entries and simplifies recall. Now, create your first entry using a custom template to save time. Templates capture structure, so you stay consistent. Once done, add a concise title, a date/time stamp, mood, and optional location to make search easier later. Organize with tags and folders, tags for themes, folders for projects, because that separation speeds retrieval. Attach photos, voice notes, and checklists when relevant. Rich text and media provide context, and make finish by reviewing your entries with search, filters, and a timeline view to spot patterns and trends. Then export a backup, PDF for reading, JSON for migration, and enable auto-export if the app supports it so backups run automatically. If something goes wrong, like sync failing, first toggle connectivity, then re-authenticate your account and force a manual sync. If that still fails, check storage permissions and restart the app, because most issues resolve after re-authentication or a quick restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.